Having to pick my way through these boulders is taking so much time. I gotta be careful I don't fall down. Oh, I am exhausted. My limbs are numb. It's slick. It's getting dark. It's really easy for me to take a bad fall here. I've got to be careful. Oh, I finally get to go downhill a little bit. Oh, look at that. There's a cabin. Oh, how do I get down there? I've never been so glad to see shelter. It's just in the nick of time. Sun is gonna set here in less than an hour. Slow is fast, fast is slow. Oh.